The Bukidnons are one of the traditionalistic ethnic groups in the southern Philippines. They inhabit the northeastern part of the Mindanao, the second largest island of the archipelago. The term Bukidnon, or mountain dweller, was derived from the Cebuano language nowadays. It is accepted by the most members of the ethnic group to refer to the 7 tribes in the province, namely Talaandig, Higaunon, Bukidnon, Umayamnon, Matigsalog, Manubo, and Tigwahanon. These tribes are indigenous and their names are derived from the rivers or watershed areas that they inhabited. Here are some tangible and intangible heritage found in Bukidnon. Kaamulan Festival. Kaamulan is from the Bukid word Amon, which means to gather. It is a gathering of Bukidnon tribes people for a purpose. It can mean a dato-ship ritual, a wedding ceremony, a Thanksgiving festival during harvest time, a feather pack, or all of these put together. Rituals. Lagti or lagon is one of ritual example, which is a ritual of Thanksgiving for harvest among members of the Bukidnon tribe, where the palabasok or farmer, together with a bailan or shaman, shares his produce with the community in the spirits. It is part of the cultural practices of kagbasukan or agriculture. Monastery of the Transfiguration, located at Barangay San Jose, Malaybalay City, Bukidnon. Home the Benedictine monk, the Monastery of Transfiguration was the last work of Philippine national artist Leandro Locsin. Dahilayan Adventure Park and Forest Park, located at Barangay Dahilayan, Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon. For the adventure seekers out there, Dahilayan Adventure Park and Forest Park is the place to be. Stay in their cozy rooms, enjoy the cold weather, and surround yourself with hectares of beautiful greens. This place is the perfect combination of relaxation and adventure. Here you can experience Asia's longest dual zip line, that is 4,700 feet above sea level and goes up to 90 km per hour. So, what are you waiting for? Come and visit the Bukidnon's beautiful nature and take a dip.